Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe, click like, comment, that notification bell, click that too. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, looks like there's a field trip for the little monks at the market. So they're carrying their little bowls to accept donations. Pretty cute. There's a major temple just around the corner, a couple of blocks. That's probably where they live. They often go to school at the temple, often from poor families that can't support them. Not always, but they do get a very good free education that way. I'll let them go on about their day. Morning, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So no windows to simulate a cave, because that's their natural habitat, and there are a lot of caves in this area of Patalung, and that's why there are so many swiftlets, and it's easy to draw them into a building like this. No windows. Look at that. Where they allow the top floor to be taken over by swiftlets nesting. And you can't see them, they're on the inside. Their nests are very valuable. This is what's used to make the exotic bird's nest soup. Believe it or not, it's real nests from real birds. And it's a very expensive delicacy in East Asia. And it's mostly made from their spit. In a small shop, this is how an employee ducks away, has a little break. It's not too busy, not too many customers. Using her smartphone. Good for her. Songkran is famous for its water fights, but the origin of it is about pouring some water on people to wish them good luck, and pouring water on a Buddha statue. So this is how it goes. Small scale shopping center. I mentioned before, that's the one Buddha. There are 8. Wednesday has 2. Daytime, nighttime. Mine is the cool one. The chilled out reclining Buddha. That's a Tuesday if you're born on a Tuesday. So I'll get a little water there for them. Hot season, that's one of the origins. It's Thai New Year. I think it's the hottest time of the year. Splashing water around